2023, yet another new year to celebrate, and this one comes with a whole lot of traditional food. My name is Matthew Penada, and welcome to my kitchen. Xin Nian Kuai La! Happy Chinese New Year sa mga pop team natin na Chinoy! Today, I want to challenge you to make your own Zhao Zi, aka dumplings. I like dumplings. How about you guys? Dumplings are everywhere. You can buy them from the restaurant, food cart, and even online. Madalas na pagkain merienda ng Pinoy or sometimes ulam sa kanin. Pero sa mga kaibigan nating Chinese, it is a symbol of wealth and unity. Pinaniniwalaan na the more dumplings you eat and make, the more money you can have for the new year. It also symbolizes family unity dahil sama-sama ang buong pamilya sa paggagawa ng dumplings. So, Pop Team, are you ready? Let's go!
All you need is 2.5 cup all-purpose flour, 3/4 cup warm water, and a pinch of salt. Put the flour in a large bowl together with water and salt. Using a rubber spatula, a wooden spoon, a pair of chopsticks, or your fingers, mix them together until a shaggy ball of dough starts to form.
I have here cabbage, ginger, ground pork, soy sauce, oyster sauce, and sesame oil. Combine all together and mix them well.
Combine all together and mix them well. The meat should be pasty and sticky. And lastly, put some sesame oil to make the filling easier to roll in the wrapper. Dust your work surface with flour. Remove the dough from the bowl and knead for about 2 minutes. It should feel smooth. Cover the dough with a damp towel or a plastic wrap and let it rest on the counter for at least 20 minutes. Once rested, divide the dough in half on a surface lightly dusted with flour. Roll each half into a rope that's about 3/4 inch thick in diameter and about 18 inches in length. Using a knife or a bench scraper, cut each rope into pieces that are about 3/4 inch thick. Each piece should weigh about 9 or 10 grams. Roll each piece of dough into a small ball and then flatten it between your palms to create a disc that resembles a cookie.
Now, let's start filling. This is the most challenging part in making homemade dumplings. We'll see. Are we going to make it or break it? Comment down below.
Close the wrapper by connecting two sides over the filled bottom, making between 4 and 6 pleats to the side that faces you, firmly pressing together the edges to keep the filling intact. Only one side should be pleated. As you finish each dumpling, cover it with paper towel to keep the dumpling wrapper from drying out. Then repeat the process with the remaining wrappers and pork filling. Finally, we are ready to cook. So, it's now boiling. Let's put the dumplings and wait until it's golden brown.
Now, ready for plating. Perfect! Our homemade jiaozi is ready for Chinese New Year's Eve. Matthew Peneda from Pop Team TV. Don't forget to subscribe and like our channel. See you on my next episode!